Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to Eons of Battle. In this video I want to show you how to make a base an orc mech boy would love. Here are the paints I'll be using. The first thing I did was I raided my bits to see if I had any orky mechy stuff laying around. Once I picked out my pieces, I glued them down with some super glue. Some of these bits are from 40k, but many are from a model helicopter. I made sure to leave enough room for the model to stand in between the bits. Then I mixed up some texture paste by mixing together some wall spackle or polyfilla, Elmer's glue, a few drops of black ink, and then some fine grained sand. Once that was mixed up, I spread it all over the bases, splashing it up on the bits but not covering them. To do this, I used an old, damp paintbrush. Next, to add a little more texture and variety, I splashed on some Games Workshop Agrellan Earth, which is a crackle medium. Once that was dry, I primed the models black. I'm using my airbrush, but you could also use a rattle can. Then I base coated the models with some Vallejo Beastly Brown. This will make the ground look sun-baked. Then I painted all the bits with some Games Workshop Leadbelcher, which is a great gunmetal color. Everything the orcs touch is painted red at one point or another, so I mixed some Mephiston Red and paint retarder together and painted this onto all the bits. The paint will have a long working time, which is perfect because I used a makeup sponge to wipe most of it off. Once the mechs decide to use this stuff again, I'm sure they'll give it a fresh coat. Then I went back to work on my earth, watering down some chocolate brown and spreading this on splotches onto the base. Then I gave the browns a dry brushing with some Vallejo Bonewhite. After that, the only thing left was to paint the rim of the base. For this, I chose to use chocolate brown. And there you have 3 orc mech bases. We make tutorials like these every single week, and if you find them helpful, you might consider supporting us over on Patreon. Over there, you'll gain access to some behind the scenes and other exclusive content. If you're looking for buried tech that is more sophisticated than orc loot, you might consider our Mars bases. Find these videos and lots more like it on our basing playlist, where you'll find tons of easy and unique bases. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.